Morning students, today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study Mathematics of class 10th, chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. It is on your book page number 60 to 61. In this video, we will continue with the process of cross multiplication method, and this is the method which is used directly to solve the pair of linear equation without making any changes in that. So in this, what we are doing, we use the make helpful for us if we make this diagram. Now what this diagram is actually, write the two general equations. Okay, so the two general equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now in this, if you find the value of x, so you write x over here, y over here, and 1 over here. Okay. Now what you have to do is start writing from the values over here. So b1 upon b2, b1 and b2 over here, then c1 and c2, then a1 and a2, then again b1 and b2. Now what you have to do, if you have to find the value of x, okay, what you have to do, x, you write x over here, okay, and then you have to do multiplication, b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 divided by the constant 1, move to the 1, a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. This gives you the solution for x. Clear? Again I am telling you with the red color. See, for finding x, b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. Okay. Then constant a divided by a1 into b2 and a2 into b1, in between subtraction. Now if you want to find the value of y, then c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1, c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 divided by a2 into b2, sorry, a1 into b2, a1 into b2 and a2 into b1. So this is the way we get the value of y. In example number 14, from a bus stand in Bangalore, if we buy 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yashwantpuram, the cost is 46 rupees. If we buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yashwantpuram, the total cost is 74 rupees. Find the fares from the bus stand to the Malleshwaram and to the Yashwantpuram. So let us, x is the fare, okay, from the bus stand to the Bangalore, in Bangalore, from the bus stand in Bangalore to the Malleshwaram, and y is the fare from the bus stand in Bangalore to the Yashwantpuram. Then we can say that 2 tickets means 2x, 3 tickets that means 3y, we add them, it will get you cost of 46 rupees. And on the other hand, 3 tickets 3x and 5 tickets 5y is cost you 74 rupees. Now if we want to solve it with the help of cross multiplication method, we have to shift entire things on the left hand side. So we shift the 46 over also over here and 74 also over here, and we get the equation 2x plus 3y minus 46 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equal to 0. Now we draw this diagram so that we are able to solve it easily. Okay. Now After making this diagram, what we do first, we write 3, 5, minus 46, minus 74, 2, 3, and again 3 and 5. We write x over here, y over here, and 1 over here. Now first we find the value of x. So to find the value of x, we write x over here, and we see 3 into minus 74 minus 5 into minus 46 divided by 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3. I am again telling you, first of all, to find x, we see the x over here, 3 into 74 minus of 74 minus 5 into minus of 46. Okay, then we move to the 1, the denominator part, 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3. Let us see how it has been done. So x is equal to, okay, x is equal to, take this part on the top over here. Okay, so x is equal to 3 into minus 74, which we have written over there, minus 5 into minus 46, which we have written, divided by 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3. Clear? When you solve it, the first part you get minus 2 to 2 plus 230 divided by 10 minus 9. When you add them, you will get 8 upon 1, that is 8. So x is equal to 8, as been shown over here. Similarly for y, minus 46 into 3. Let us move to the back. For y, minus 46 into 3 minus 74 into 2 divided by the same 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3. Okay, so when we solve them, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry 12 plus 1 13, 138 of minus plus 8 148 divided by 10 minus 9. So when you solve it, what you get plus of 10 divided by 1 is 10. So y is equal to 10. So the cost of ticket from Bangalore to Malleshwaram is 8 rupees, and from Bangalore to Yashwantpuram is 10 rupees. So this has been done with the help of cross multiplication method. You can check the problem, okay, that this pair of solution, that is 8 comma 10, that is x value is 8 and y value is 10, will able to verify the solution. You can check from the problem that the solution we have got is correct. Thank you.